This cat sounds exactly like a squeaky toy. What do you think he's trying to say?